Welcome to Explode AAA. We are back on the road. Eastern Police, we don't come. Inside rain season. Now good idea this. For come inside Dovecot. Inside August when the rain the bogon proper one. Fambulem, we don't come. Now Hagan Street this. We go lead you to Guard Street. But for now, let we take am behind Eastern Police na Hagan Street and go down straight na Hagan Street Market. Where we done, we go come up, can Guard Street say who side we go end this video. We need to tell us how they end. If you sabia, then take way along. If you not sabia, well, fumble. We dey come inside Hagan Street Market with Dovecot Market. Yes. For come inside this market, it's not funny. But now then the grumble say even Dovecot is not cheap anymore. But how for do? I can't wait for the day then they get a proper market there. Rain season. Watch side and they put the market. Watch side the water they pass. You see, eh? Rain be just cut. Go say, Lord, one can do this video. See what two they go through for now. Yana Explode AAA. The person who don't knock chest for show you the entire Sierra Leone. This rain season. Yana Dovecot. But first, we want to do Hagan Street. Dovecot you sign up by Guard Street today. Just in case you can mix up. And they clean the gutter. You know, like for see them video here. Other video than they. Just no see. Now here people in Kinkan Market. Now FCC the new motor this. For can't take the dirty where you be see them be the pool in a gutter. Even for pass near the truck, not easy. See, at the end of the tail, then they pull on the gutter then. For open, let the water pass. I grew up na this street. Me. One green day, na Indian people take over come this Hagan Street. Na Kisi Street then be the sell. Then run after the Kisi Street. We wake in the morning, we hear boku noise. Who come on and do they say the Makituman they don't come na Hagan Street, just back of Eastern Police. That 10 day, not so food stuff item then they be the sell. Now the one then na Abacha Street, now then become. Fast forward 2024. And this we get now. We're official. From make, then go able take over the street again, the motorcar then. Right side na intersection this. The left side na for go Hagan Street, the right side na for go Guard Street. But because of the market so full, it's difficult for see. Explode AAA. The last thing we ask people for tell we if they reach na the end. The last video before this one is the street will be end. House of Happiness been tell we say he reach. Make sure you follow them. House of Happiness na Facebook and YouTube. Sierra Leone cultures. Self tell we say he reach Eastern Street. Albert Moses Cisse, Leonard Macaulay, Bintu Kale, Dragan Pianik, Abubakar Ba, Alpha Cham, Sylvester Fomba, Ibrahim Jawara, Ajaratu Kanu say, do you want to let we go Arlington? Ajaratu, you know so we don't go Arlington. Check we upload. You go see and say we don't go Arlington. Kazaya from Zealand, from Australia, himself say he reach na the end. Other people then say they reach na the end, but the name not appear. They say that user they give boku letters and numbers. So if you know say you that so you not be save your own when YouTube be ask you for save with name. Yeah, when you write say you reach na the end, comment your name. So we not go rogue you for your shout out where you need forget na. Now Dong Egan Street with the council. We still there inside the market. If you reach na the end of this video, tell we who say we don't apply as grown we don't reach so. You want kring, potato leaf, green, who's kind you want? Na cassava leaf. Salomon and cassava leaf. Yes. We come right to the end of Egan Street Market. If you want to go inside Kawiyad, they make right now. Yes, right under the care go inside Kawiyad. But still yet, when you go down, we still lay Egan Street. All Yana Plaza's gone. This road they lead you right down to the field. Mabela field. Tell you say Asabia. I tell you the different places they where I grow up. Where Asabi. This place go right down to the field. We don't show you the mosque land. Then I had the chief there. When I had the chief been there, I don't know if he's still there on your left. I think in Pekin now at the councillor Habib, na his name. If I could remember well. Councillor Habib. For down here. I saw explode Triple. I saw we did. They see the sheep there, man. Why you knock the sheep? Explode Tripoli. Will they go up back? Will they go right to that intersection? Also, I'll be sure you say if you make left, you can down Egan Street. If you make right, you go Guard Street. Will they go up back? You don't ever come at this market. What do you experience being town like? If you're in the diaspora right now, where you can go salon, you don't ever take chance for kind of Egan Street Market or Dovecourt Market. Limona, eh? I know. Well, explode Tripoli. They do that for you. Will they do this for make we rekindle memories them where you be don't get for them places they are. Fish deal, you want Shinos? All then corner, then left corner, they all get road there. Shinos assist you. Yes, I like Chinese. Yes. Anyway, I'll make you enjoy the sight and the sound from the market. Let not deprive you. Yeah? Let I come out here. But tell we, so you reach the end. Usai we end this video. You must take catch for talk about it talk. Tell we Usai we end the video. Because the next day we'll carry back and we'll get for start again. Yeah? And you go get a shout out. Share this video with other people. Make them see Egan Street Market, Dovecot Market inside August 2024. Inside in season. How it look like. The one that where they sell inside, you see the road is paved. So they not get much more hassle. Like the USA where they can't go now for go Dovecot. Where that road they don't eat where the rain they come, the water they settle on the ground. Well, you go see them for yourself. When they come back at the intersection for Egan Street and Guard Street, they will make left go na Guard Street. Guard Street now they will take go na Dovecot. Till Usa will they go end. Tell we Usa will end the video. You see all man the fet for can like the entrance as you reach here, so that you no go down Usa will come out. Find out say up this end crowded pass down Usa will come out. But still yet the same people away they come, then they pass all here and go down. Even though then they think to say well, you want to catch them as then they come. But some man still want to wait in they don't. I don't tell you, will they make the left? Now Guard Street. Well, I left you. Let we all see how Guard Street you Dovecot look like. Thank you. They meet up here back just now, yeah? But don't forget to this guy at Tripoli, the farmer extraordinary, and still the man behind the mic. Thank you, yeah? Share the video and enjoy. Hey.
So you know. you. What a final. What do you do?
meter 5,000.
Give me both. Bravo, bravo.
Short shuffle, you do one time you first shuffle, but to my numbers, you will keep it more, let me before some trouble before once you don't make you Nothing.
He responded heavy. I don't call reflection medicine. Mama they take him, Papa they take him, Pikin they take him. Mama you want to know the snapper? You outside the belekuma.
Go